I said I'd be back, didn't I? I said I'd be back. It wasn't an idle threat. I said I'd be back. Welcome to this week's Lucky Numbers mobile game. And just a quick recap to start on what happened last week. Well, Sam Byford, like you, was just sat at home playing along and suddenly, hey, all 5 of his numbers came up and the total prize for him was 1,625, which is very nice, as you can hear our recorded, taped audience agree. Last week's question for this week's game, to enter you into it, was who won the X Factor? What? Who won the X Factor? Who won the X Factor? The last one, that is. The answer, of course, was Alexandra, so hallelujah for her. See what I did there? And if you did text in the right answer, you'll have got your 5 numbers by return, and hopefully they are lucky numbers. If you would like to take part, all you have to do, if you've never played before, is text the word winner, which we hope you will be, winner to 80399. Winner to 80399. That will get you involved with lucky numbers. Every week we have up to 10,000 quid up for grabs. I wonder who this week's winner will be and exactly what they're going to win. Let's find out right now. Let's play Lucky Numbers. Okie dokie, let's do it then. Good luck to you. Hopefully the 5 numbers that you've had text to you in return for that correct answer to the quiz question, you've got them written down, you're ready to cross them off. As you do cross them off, keep one eye on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, because every number has an amount attached to it, and your 5 numbers, if you cross up all 5, the total that they are worth is what you will get. The first number is 65. 6 and 5, 65. That one is worth 50 quid. There is a 5 grand ball in here. There's a 2 grand ball. There's 3 1,000 balls. Number 10 is next. That one, like the first number, is worth 50 quid. All right then, let's pull the next one. It's 62. 6 and 2, 62. Clickety quack, they would say in bingo for that, if they were mad. Next is 30. Number 30, that's a bit better. 250 quid. If that is in your winning lineup, 250 at least is what you've got. Next is 87. 8 and 7, 87 is a 2 grand ball. The only 2 grand ball in there. If that is amongst your winning 5, you're going to be cock-a-hoop. Can I say that? Next is 40. 40, 40. That's another £50 ball from the bowels of the machine. If indeed the machine does have bowels, I don't know. I didn't do biology. 18 is next. 1 and 8, 18. There's a lot of £50 balls coming out. 18 is there. Next, 24. If you've got it, cross it off. Number 24. That's as low as we go, £25. But you're not going to sniff at that, are you? Hey, you're not going to sniff at it. Next is 43. Number 43. That's another 250. 250 pounder. Sounds like a giant beef burger, doesn't it? 28. Worth 500. 500 for number 28. Number 1 is next. Number 1. 25 that one's worth. We don't like number 1. Not this week anyway. 75 now. 7 and 5, 75. We like that one. That's one of the 3 1,000ers that's in the machine. Next is 52. Number 52. Worth a quarter of a grand. Next, 13. 1 and 3, 13. 25 for that one. Number 90 now. 90, 90. Another 25 pounder. 15 numbers gone so far. We're normally looking at around the 20 number mark for a claim, so we need to get some of the bigger numbers out now. 81 now. That's worth 250, and we do indeed. That's a quick game this week. We hold things out for just a moment. We do have a winner on number 81. It only took 16 numbers to find a winner this week, so that is pretty good going. The question is, of course, who has won? And another question for you, is that £2,000 ball going to be amongst the 5 lucky numbers? There's a very good chance it might be with only 16 numbers out, but we'll just let all the business of the computers finding out who has won and what they've won do that. And whilst we do that, let's pull a lucky loser number out. It's not over. If you've got, well, if you haven't won, you've got numbers left over. And if it's the one I'm about to pull out of here, I'll tell you what's going to happen. The lucky loser number for this week is number 26. Number 26, your lucky loser number. If you've got number 26, you're going to be put into an almost instantaneous random draw. And one person will be plucked out at random to win £100. So, you'll be notified by text if indeed you are the lucky loser winner for this week. Now, as far as the main game is concerned, they are telling me in my big floppy ear that the winner of the Lucky Numbers main game this week is Tony Manning. Tony Manning, congratulations to you, Tony. I do hope you're watching. If you're not, but if you are, let's bring up your 5 numbers and see exactly what they are worth. So here we go. 1, 24, 30, 62 and 81. Let's whip them around, see what we've got. 25, 25, 250, 50 and 250. It's a very healthy 600 for Tony Manning. Well done to you, sir. Sadly, the £2,000 ball wasn't amongst your lineup, but I'm sure you're not going to say no to 600. Congratulations to you, Tony. Commiserations if you were not successful this week, but if it's your turn next week, well, we'll only find out if the ball's full right for you. If you are watching for the first time and you'd like to play along, you thought, yeah, I'd like to have a go at that. Don't forget, all you have to do is text the word winner to 80399. Sorry? I thought you said that. So there you are, that's all you have to do. Stand by, everybody, because on this very channel we've got some auto wheel roulette for you. So I hope you will enjoy that, and I hope you're going to be lucky as well. I'll see you again sometime soon, but join us next week for another Lucky Numbers game. And until then, from everybody here, ta-da.